Finding a rug that can tie a room together is not an easy process. Rugs need to match the paint, the furniture, the surface they're sitting on, and the general vibe of your home. If you've settled on a rug to add to your home decor, then you love that rug. But did you know everyday use is filling your beloved area rugs with bacteria and other harmful toxins? Crazy facts about your area rugs you may not know. Rugs can gain up to 4 times their original weight. That's right, but unlike you or me, it's not from late-night snacking. Area rugs gain weight by collecting dirt, hair, and human skin cells. Over time, some rugs can even get to twice the mass they were at the purchase date. Regular vacuuming helps the buildup of grime, but to thoroughly clean your rug, you need to hire a professional rug cleaning service. 75% of people walk on rugs with dirty shoes and feet. No matter how hard you try to enforce a no shoes in the house rule, studies show that at least 75% of people will still have dirty feet when walking in your home. When you have rugs on your floor, they may be holding all the muck from outdoors that you and your family bring indoors, including your pets. Hiring a deep cleaning service will help fight against dirty feet culprits. Rugs affect indoor air quality, which can be 10 times worse than outdoor air. Rugs and carpet are like the air filters of your home. And like air filters in your car, they can not only get filled with contaminants like dust, dirt, and sand, but also living contaminants like germs and bacteria. When your air filter is clogged with gunk, it negatively affects the air quality in your home. That is why it's a good idea to use a home deep cleaning service often. Rugs can be 4,000 times dirtier than a toilet. Your rugs may hold hundreds of thousands of bacteria per inch. That is much dirtier than your home's toilet. Regular maintenance on your rugs will extend the life and look, and will also keep them clean and clear of bacteria and contaminants. What can you do about it? The best way to keep your family safe from the contaminants in your rugs is to keep them clean. Keeping rugs clean includes only walking on the area rugs with clean feet or shoes. Regular vacuuming with a high-end vacuum helps. And keeping hard surfaces like kitchen tile, hardwood, and vinyl areas as clean as possible not to track anything to the rugs. These tips will help you keep your rugs safe. Still, if you want to fight against contaminants in your house, then you're going to want to hire a professional rug cleaning service at least twice a year. A professional cleaner will use chemicals that can kill bacteria and remove organic contaminants in your rugs. They have high-powered steam cleaning machines that use hot water and suction to extract contaminants from your rug. Professional cleaning is your best chance of getting a rug clean to its fullest potential. For the best, most affordable rug cleaning in Los Angeles, contact Karma Carpet Cleaning.